Is your Lexus NX450h key fob not working from a distance? A dead battery is likely the culprit. This video will guide you through replacing the CR2032 battery in your 2022 to 2024 Lexus NX450h key fob. It's a quick and easy DIY fix that will save you time and money. The Lexus NX450h key fob uses radio frequency, RF, to communicate with your car. This wireless technology operates in the electromagnetic spectrum, allowing secure and reliable signal transmission. The key fob controls essential functions like unlocking doors, starting the engine, and activating the panic alarm. These features ensure convenient and secure access to your vehicle. The CR2032 battery powers the fob's internal circuits, which include a microcontroller and transmitter. These components work together to process commands and send signals to your vehicle. Expect to replace the battery every 12 to 18 months due to normal wear and tear and increased use of smart features. Regular maintenance ensures your key fob continues to function reliably. Before you start, gather these items: a new CR2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to avoid scratches, and optionally a jeweler's screwdriver set. DIY kits are also available online for under $10. Make sure you work in a well-lit area. Locate the seam on the back of the key fob, usually near the key ring. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the seam and carefully pry the fob open. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage to the plastic casing. Note that the fob may have a rubber gasket that prevents dust from entering. Place the new CR2032 battery into the compartment with the positive side facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Ensure the battery is securely seated in the compartment. It should fit snugly without requiring excessive force. AAA recommends using genuine CR2032 batteries. After installing the new battery, carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Ensure the casing is fully closed and that there are no gaps. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle from a distance. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure there's no corrosion or debris. If the key fob still doesn't work after battery replacement, try resetting it by turning the ignition key to the on position and back to off 3 times. This can often resolve electronic glitches. Other common issues include corrosion on battery contacts or debris inside the fob. Always inspect these carefully. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, improper reassembly accounts for about 5% of reported key fob problems. Looking ahead, future Lexus models may feature longer-lasting batteries or even rechargeable fobs that gain power from movement. App-based integration through smartphone apps is also increasing, potentially reducing our reliance on physical key fobs.